Hey there, this is Dan from AMS, and today we'll discuss 5 things to check before application launch. Back in 2016, Pokemon Go grossed over 100 million in just 20 days since its launch. That is the power of the internet. If you are hoping for a miracle to help you make your app launch viral, then you're about to stumble in a puddle of disappointment. An actionable strategy is more likely to increase your application downloads instead of idly waiting for users. In this video, we will take you through a 5-point checklist for an accurate pre-launch for your application. First of all, proper app market research. Before you move forward with your marketing plan, researching the market is crucial. You cannot really generate downloads without knowing your target audience. Thorough market research will lead you to your intended audience for better prospects. Point number 2, design a landing page. Building some buzz before the app launch is very important. Consider it as a task similar to movie stars promoting the upcoming films before launch. In the same way, you can create some engagement with probable users through a landing page. Design a neat and pleasing landing page for publicizing your app. Remember, it is just a trailer for the movie. By that logic, it should not contain any spoilers. So try to put screenshots and information about the functionality and the USPs of the app. Next, social media marketing. Today, social media is the cornerstone of marketing. You simply cannot expect to succeed in a competitive world without it working on a social media. Before launching your app, create different social media channels for promotion. Check out a big reveal plan a few days or weeks before the actual launch. Posting content that is meaningful for the audience and yet relevant to your app will help in driving organic traffic after the launch. Don't forget about App Store guidelines. A key component of the pre-launch checklist is the App Store guidelines. You must clearly define every aspect of your marketing strategy in the context of the App Store. This includes the choice of Android or iOS and free versus paid functionalities, the right description of your target audience, the customer support services, and similar. Last but not least, prepare a press kit. A press kit involves creative resources to attract the media. Several online platforms and offline use houses have upcoming apps that exhibit special potential. Creating a kit of information and screenshots for the press will go a long way in generating more downloads after the app launch. Launching an app is a long, drawn process. With a creative strategy and diligent efforts, you can reach a wider audience. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to shoot me a message if you have any questions on an app concept on your mind. See you in the next one.